Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to diagnose your charging system. Maybe your battery keeps dying, bike won't start, whatever. It's a really simple process. So what we have here is this super cute Honda Metropolitan. So what I have going on here is that a customer of mine went back and forth a little bit yesterday. He has some battery issues, Chris Birch. So one thing we do at Scooter Swap Shop here is with our YouTube channel, if you're a subscriber, if you got a question about something, just let us know, make a comment, email us, whatever, and we'll make a video specific to what you need. Obviously, if we don't have the bike, if you've got a Dongfeng, Ice Bear, trike, and you're trying to do a turbo swap or whatever, nitrous, I mean, that's cool, but we're probably not gonna make a video on doing that, although don't hold me to it, it may happen. So real quick here. So Honda Metropolitan, keys in the off position. This can be the same for any scooter. So what we have going on here is, here's the battery. So what I've done just for the ease of holding the camera is I've got two alligator clips, and those alligator clips are connected to each end of this multimeter. Now you could just take the leads of the multimeter and go right to the battery, but just holding the camera, it was easier for me to do the alligator clips. So this is a fancy fluke meter, but you don't need anything. You don't need anything like this. So as you can see, the battery's sitting right around 12.6, 12.7 volts DC. So it's probably reading negative because I've got the lead switched around. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how you have these leads. It's either going to read negative or positive. It's irrelevant. All you're caring about is the voltage. So I'll turn the key on. You're going to see the voltage drop a little bit because the lights and the fuel pump are working. So you see 12.2. Start the bike, it dips for a second. You'll see it start to charge. You're going to see that voltage start to climb up. So what that's telling you is your bike is charging this battery. So you rev it up a little bit. You don't really charge a ton at idle, but this has got a really strong, good charging system on this bike. This thing's cold. So as you can see, that voltage is going up. It's telling you that your bike is putting out power to charge this battery. So if you rev your bike up, like I said, this bike's really cold. It's been sitting for probably 2 months. If you rev your bike up and you're not seeing at least 13 volts, you got a charging issue. So as you can see, I shut the bike off. It's dropped back down to 12 something, probably high 12s. Eventually, it will go down. There it goes. Turn it on. It's going to dip for a second, just because the lights and fuel pump started up. Then you got 14 volts. So it's really simple. But you have to have a good battery. If you're trying to do this on a bad battery, or a battery that's completely dead, your bike isn't going to be able to, your bike, I mean, it'll be able to charge it to some extent, but this is not a test you can really run on a bike that has a bad battery or a completely dead battery, because the voltage is already going to be so low that the battery's going to want so much power to bring it back up to where it should be. So you need to do this test on a good battery. So if you got a bike that's killing batteries, put a good one in, verify that, and when I mean a good one, I don't mean like, you know, your flashlight battery or whatever. These, I've seen some people come in with some super oddball off-brand batteries that are not made for scooters. So get a good battery that's made for your bike, put it in, check the voltage first. You should be somewhere in the 12s, mid 12s. But this is 12.7. If I leave this sit overnight, tomorrow it'll probably be 12.2, 12.12, somewhere in there, which is totally normal. You're not really concerned as long as it's in the 12s. That's pretty standard. Or even high 11s is probably a little lower than it should be, but if you're in the 12s, it's fine. Start it up. If you don't see that voltage come up at least 13 to 13, 13.5, 14, then you've got a charging system problem. So rather than just keep throwing new batteries at bikes, check that on your bike if you think you got a charging system issue. So hopefully it helps some people. Chris, I know that'll help you. Yeah, subscribe, click the button, subscribe, and then if you guys have any questions about specific things, just holler at us, let us know. We'll make you a video if we can.